Welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make up to and even more than $200 every week from this free unlimited arbitrage platform. And this can be done from your mobile phone and anywhere around the world because it is worldwide. I'm also going to show you how you can withdraw this free $20 worth of BTC that will be given to you on your account when you sign up on this unlimited arbitrage platform. And since this is an unlimited arbitrage opportunity and can be done anywhere around the world, there is no limit of how much you can make from this platform. You can even make up to like $10,000 within a short period of time, and I'm going to show you how you can do it in this short video. And most importantly, don't forget that I'm also going to show you how you can make it from this platform without spending any dollar. But to be honest, it's going to require your hard work, and if you are willing to work that work, then you'll be making it up to like $500 every month from this platform without spending any dollar, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. But before I proceed, please make sure you like this video and drop a sub to the channel for more free informative content like this, and also join my Telegram community and the Telegram community of this unlimited arbitrage platform so that you can get all the updates even before I upload them here on YouTube. So with that being said, let's move. So the name of this platform is known as Exby, which is a multifunctional arbitrage platform that uses advanced algorithm to take advantage of prices from different exchanges and use that data to maximize profit for you. And this unlimited arbitrage platform have partnered with major exchanges which uses their API to integrate on their platform so that the data collected are accurate, and with that accurate data, the risk factor involved in it is zero. So in simple terms, this is a clear demonstration of how this XB platform works. You can see that from this illustration, it acts as a bridge between multiple exchanges, and the price difference, remember, there's always a price difference in other exchanges. So what this platform does is to buy low and sell high, then take the profits, and they also take percentage from the profit, you understand? So what they are doing is using your capital to buy low from one exchange and sell to another exchange. Then the profit has to be shared between you and the company, you understand? So this is a powerful tool in the arbitrage space, and the fact that they also make money from this transaction which they make has already given us the impression that this platform is going to stay for a very long time. And I think the best time to take advantage of crypto prices as an arbitrage opportunity is now that the bull market is around the corner. And currently, as I'm making this video, there are over 3,000 members that are already taking advantage of this opportunity, which have done over 73,000 orders, and this platform have generated over $4.23 million to those orders generated. And I've already done some works by trying to understand the people behind this platform and the whole process and how trusted they are. And I can tell you that for the period of time I'm using this platform right now, there has not been any issue, you understand? And they are backed up by people that are well trusted, even on LinkedIn. So the best time to take advantage of this unlimited arbitrage opportunity is now that you are watching this video. So for you to get started on this platform, you just have to click the first link below this video. Then it will take you to this sign up page. You just have to enter your nickname or your username, your email address and your password, and make sure that your upline is simply DMO, you understand? And this can also be done from your mobile phone. So on your mobile phone, you just have to enter your username, which is your nickname. So let me just enter simply DMO, which is your nickname, you understand? Then enter your email address. Then after your email address, you enter your password, and after your password, you confirm your password. Then you scroll down and make sure that you confirm that your upline is simply DMO. So you just have to make sure that your upline is simply DMO. Then enter your captcha, which is 331, you understand? Then click on continue and wait for it to load up. After you sign up, it will take you to this pop-up menu whereby it shows a bonus page. So this is where you will be getting your free $20 worth of BTC to make your first trade on this platform. So you just have to join the Telegram community to activate it, then come back to this platform, and you can see that this is exactly how it looks like on mobile phone. And the free $20 you got from this platform has already been activated on a trade, which means that automatically you are using that free $20 to make profit for yourself, and within short period of time you'll be able to get returns. Now for the sake of this video, I'm going to use a desktop version to explain everything. So on your desktop version, you can see your dashboard, you can see everything that is being associated to this platform. So this first menu is your dashboard, which comprises of your balance. I already have balances, so that's why I can see this yellow spike, but currently there's no return because this is the one I'm making this video. So that's why you can see zero balance, but there's money on the account. So you can see everything that is being associated, your trade, your active farming, and everything, you understand. So basically this platform has three ways of making money: a manual trading pattern, an automated trading pattern, and a liquidity farming, which I'm going to show you everything. But before that, the next section is your wallet section, which is similar to your dashboard but broke down all the data on your account, you understand. So you can see everything in BTC, Litecoin, USDT, TRC20, and everything. And when you scroll down, you can also see an option to add balance and withdraw your profits if you have already made trade, you understand. So you can see Bitcoin, you can see Ethereum, Litecoin, and other cryptocurrency. So that is basically the option that are on your wallet section, you understand. So the next feature there is your trading history, which show all the history of your trading, both manual trade, automated trade, and liquidity farming. So you can see that on my automated trade, you can currently see that I have two trades that are open, and the two trade comprises of the free $20 that is being given to me and my $150 that I deposited, which have already given me $30 in profit, you understand. So that is basically what is on this trading history section. You can also play around it and try to understand it, you understand, but it is very easy, so I suggest that you take action right now. So when I click the details of my order, you'll be able to understand everything that is going on the back end of this transaction, you understand. So you can see that they are buying it from Binance and selling it at KuCoin. So you can see that the price difference is your profit, and that is basically how this platform works, and it is very easy to use, you understand. So the first thing you need to do to start making profit from this platform is to come to your wallet section and select any crypto you want to deposit. I would suggest you deposit Bitcoin or USDT TRC20. So when you click deposit, it will take you to this section for you to enter an amount, and you can see that the minimum is 0.0075, which is approximately $20. But remember that in arbitrage trading, the higher the capital, the higher your profit. So I would suggest you deposit something around $200 or $300, you understand. But if you have the money, you can even go more. And the decision of you using this platform should come from you alone. And remember that I'm not your financial advisor, so you can contact your financial advisor before making any investment decision. So after you conclude on the crypto you want to deposit, either BTC or USDT, you just have to click on add balance, then enter an amount. So let me just say something like 100 USDT, then click deposit, and make sure that it is on TRC20 because that is what you want to deposit with, to minimize the charges, you understand. So you just have to copy the address, then send the crypto to the address and click on paid, and within few minutes it will just reflect on your dashboard, and that is basically how easy it is to deposit. So after you successfully deposited into your Exby account, the next thing to do is to make trade on this platform and earn money while you sleep. And remember that on this platform there are three ways you can make money from them: the manual trade, the automated trade, and the liquidity farming. So you can just come to this product section and you can see the manual trading, which is done manually. So basically it's a simple interface, you understand. You can see the crypto you want to trade with, your balance and everything, you understand. BTC, Ethereum, USDT, and Litecoin, and TRX, you understand. So all you just need to do is to scroll down and you'll be able to see the manual trading opportunity. You can see that use XP interface to reach, you get my point. So first thing first is to select the crypto and the exchange. So let me just select an exchange. You can see the price of Bitcoin, so you just have to select the exchange that is lower and sell at a higher price. So you can see that the first option there is 26,400 and you are selling at 26,600, which means that you'll be making $200 if you use one BTC. So that's basically how this platform works. So you just have to enter an amount, then click create order. Because I've already opened an order and I don't have any money left on my account, I will not be able to place an order. But you understand the concept now. I already have an order open, so when I scroll down, you'll be able to see my order that is open. Now, the best way to make money from this platform is the automated trading, which is done automatically. Remember, the manual trading is done manually and you have to come back every hour or every day to enter the trade again. But this automated trading, you just have to select the days you want. The minimum is 30 days. Then select your crypto you want to trade, the pairs, you understand. Then you enter the trade and automatically the advanced algorithm will take advantage of the price of the crypto you selected from different exchanges and try to maximize profit for you. And on a daily basis, you'll be seeing your profit. And at the end of the 30 days or the days you selected, the capital that you used to trade and your profit will just show up on your account. So you can decide if you want to go again for another 30 days or you want to withdraw your profit. And I would suggest that after your first 30 days, make sure that you withdraw your capital and use your profits to trade, so that within the next few months, you are already in profit 200% or 300%, you understand? So upon saying that, you just have to enter an amount, and remember the minimum is 0.01 BTC. Then after that, you just have to click on create, then your order will be open. And the third way you can make money from this platform is through liquidity farming. This is basically simple. You are providing liquidity to this platform, and this platform will use that money to also make arbitrage transaction, and with that you earn some commission from what they get. And this liquidity farming is where there's more money, you understand? So you can see that within a trade you can make up to 0.2% to 0.4%, and the deposit rate is between $100 to $5,000, you understand? And you can see that for you to trade, you just have to click start farming, and you can see that it is unlimited, but this time it has to do with some longer period of time, you understand? So when I click start farming, you'll be able to see that the time range is 3 months, so you have to wait for 3 months, you understand? And you select your crypto, and you can see that the minimum is between $100 to $5,000. So let me just put 1 BTC, you understand, for instance, and scroll down. You'll be able to see how much I'll be making. So within the end of 3 months, I'll be making 0.1 BTC, which is like 18% of what I started with. So that is basically how this platform make money for users, you understand? So if you have the money, then you just have to take advantage now that you are watching this video. And also remember that within the next few days, I'll be making follow-up videos on this platform so that you stay updated on what is new on this platform and when to cash out, you understand? So with that being said, make sure you drop a sub to the channel and like this video. And most importantly, make sure you join the Telegram community with the link below for you to get updates even before I upload any video here on YouTube. So with that being said, the best way for you to make money on this platform without spending any dollar is through affiliate marketing. So when you come to this refer for profit, you will see your dashboard and your earnings. Currently you can see that mine is empty, you understand? So basically, this is where all your data will be stored, your upline, your downline, your profits, and if you are making any improvement and your analytics, you understand? So basically what you'll be doing is to refer people to this platform, and when they use this platform using your referral link, you can make up to 1% to 10% of their own profits. So meaning that if somebody use $1,000 to trade on this platform and they make $100, you'll be making $10 from that $100, you understand? So that is basically how it works, and it is very easy to do it because this platform also make it easy for you to refer people to this platform. So on this promo material tab, you'll be able to see all the information that you may need to refer people to this platform. So when I click text, you can see everything. You can see a startup line and how to convince people or how to make people understand this platform better so that they can take advantage of it using your links, and with that you earn commission from their own trade. And when you come to the presentation tab, you'll be able to see a banner, everything, you understand? So in case you want to do publication on this platform, and the goal there is just to make sure that people use your link to register, you understand? Because I've known someone that I've made over $60,000 from affiliate marketing, and it is really paying. So if you're able to work the affiliate marketing work, then you'll be able to make even more than, you understand? And there's no limit of how much you can make on that affiliate marketing alone. And most importantly, you're also getting a free $20 to make your first trade. And I'll suggest that if you're a newbie, make sure that you take advantage of this platform now that it is new, and you can use my link below this video to get started. Now before I end this video, there's something I want to show you. When you come to this early premium section, you'll be able to see two features: a free plan which has to do with one trade per day, meaning that if you are using the free plan, you can only trade once a day, you understand. The advanced algorithm can only trade once a day for you with 6 different exchanges and just within a 24-hour period, and your withdrawal is 1%. But when you upgrade to this premium plan, you'll be able to see that you can open 6 trades every day, you understand, and orders are done within 4 hours, and it is automated mode, you understand, and it is done within 12 exchanges, and personal support is also involved. But what you need is $300 worth of BTC to upgrade, you understand. So if you want to trade something like $5,000, $10,000, I would suggest that you take your time to upgrade, you understand. And when you upgrade, you'll be able to take advantage of the premium features to make even more money for yourself, because instead of you waiting for one day, within 4 hours your order have been completed and you'll be able to see your profit, you understand. So that's basically how it is. So with that being said, if you have any question, you just have to let me know below this video and I will take my time to review it. And also, you can ask your questions on their own Telegram community. And if you know this video is really helpful to you, make sure you show it by dropping a sub to the channel and like this video, and as well join my Telegram community so that you don't miss any future updates. And as you might already know, I'm DMO. So thank you for watching and see you on my next video.